Yeah, hi all. Welcome to Start Buddy channel. Today we can learn selection sort. So, what is the selection sort? We can see. Okay. So, selection sort. Selection sort is a sorting algorithm. Okay, and they select the smallest element from an unsorted and list or a array. In each in each or every iteration and place the el- element at the beginning of the unsorted list or array. So selection sort is a sorting algorithm that select the smallest element from an unsorted list or array or in each and every iteration and place the element at the beginning of the sorted list. Okay, so we can take an example for this one. Is a one 5 element of the list I can take. Okay, there's a 5 element of list, and we can create as a one min index. Okay, and these are the min index, and we can take as a min index for here. Okay, so this is our the min index. So now is a min index value we can put for the some values for here. 34 the unsorted list, 67, 23, 36 and 19. Okay, so of the min index value we can running of the program we can come as 0. Okay, so we can here will be value will be coming as a 34. So what it will be do for in a first step, we can compare step first. What we will do, we can compare with the first element. Okay, now this is the zeroth element, and this is the first, second, third, and fourth element. Okay, now so we can compare with the four element, and we can check for the 67 is a less than 34 because of this is the first element we can compare with that. So that condition will be is a false. Okay, so we can go for the next element and we can compare. So it will be becoming a 23 is a less than equal to this. So it will be is a correct condition. So we can change the that min index value is a 2 and we can change the value for here. And again they are the comparing with the next element and it will be check the condition and here will be value will be changed is a 23 and here we can change for the 43. So it will be comparing with the 43 is the lesser than and 23 no. So it will go for the next one and it will be check yes it will be comparing. So now we can change the value because of here it is a 19. Okay, so it will be change the value and our the index will be is done. So now we can do the swapping. So what it will be done, it will be change for the this value and this value will be is coming as a 4 now because of 0 1 2 3 and 4. So the 4 value we can change with the first element. Okay, so here will be the I value will be as our the index, they are the starting of the I index is equal to 0, so it will be comparing for this to this. Okay, so it will be changing for this value to this, and we can do the swapping. So what is happening, and after this it will be coming to 19, and this one is becoming to 34, and we can go for the next step. So next step, this I value will be increased to the 1, and it will be come to here. Okay, and it will be the minimum index value is a now will be is a 2, so 2 will be is a copied for here 67, and it will be comparing with the next element. So it will go and the compare with this, and the condition will come, it is a 23 will be is a 67 will be is a less than, yes. So what we can do, we can increase the index size for 3, and we can change the value to 23, and what they will do, and it will be comparing with the this. Okay, so it will be 43 will be is a 23 is a lesser than 43, yes. So sorry, 23 is a uh, 40 43 is a lesser than 23, it is a no. So it will be go for the next step, and it will be check for here, and they will say for the 34 it is lesser than 23, no. So what is the things, it will be coming as a one of the index, and this is for the 3 index. So 3 index it will be changed to first index. Okay now, yeah, index of 2, sorry, index of 2 it is changing with the index of 1. Okay, so here will be the becoming a value for the 23, and here will be the becoming a value for the 67, and now we can increase the value of the 2, and here it will become as a index value for the 2, so it will be copied for here is a 67. So 67 we can check is a 67, and we can compare with the next element with this. Okay, not 43, 43 it is a less than 67, it is a yes. So 0 1 2 3, so it will be 3 of the index, and here we can copy it for 43, and it will be comparing for the next element. Go for here, and it is the comparing for this. Okay, and here it is a 43, and here will be the 34. So it is the condition will be true, so it will be coming for this condition as a fourth index, and it will be copied for here. Okay, and what will we do, it will be the index of 2 and index of 4. Okay, and uh, our value will be set done for the index. So what we can do, we can change for this value is the fourth index with the second index. So what is happening for here will be becoming as a 34, and here will be becoming as a 67. Okay, and it will be increasing for that value for the 3, and that one value will be becoming a 3. Okay, and we can go into compare, and this is the minimum index value of the 3. So here what we'll do, here we can compare, that will be comparing is no nothing, because of the 34 is a 43, it's not, so it will be comparing the next, and it will be coming for here will be the 67, so is no. So what will we do, it will be increasing the date of the end. We didn't do any swapping because of the both are the same, so no need to do for this, and we can increase for that value is a 4, and this one we can do for here, and this one will be the 4. Okay, and we can in the fourth step we can go, and it will be comparing with this to this value. Okay, now so it will be is a 67 is a lesser than 34 is a no, so is a no changes, and now in the last iteration it will be go is a 5, and this one will be is a 5. So this will be is a coming for the comparison is a no things will be available. So that is the done for our sorting, and you can able to see our array or the list will be is a sorted. So similarly things we can do in the practical for the Java. Okay, so I can create as a one file for the Java, selection short, and we can take for the publish static void main. Okay, so here we can take as a one int array, and we can put the array value is a 67, 34, 23, 43, and 19. Okay, and we can print a array. Okay, and we can create for this array, and we can print for system.out.print and array of I, and we can do as a space we can print. Okay, and here we can put the message for the sysout array values. Okay, and we can run. So you can able to see for here is the existing array, we can able to print it. Okay, now we can do for the selection sort. Okay, so for selection sort we can create a method selection short, and we can pass for our array. Okay, and we can create a method. Okay, so here what we do, we can create as a int and variable, and we can take as a array length. Okay, so it will be taking for the n as a array length. Now is a for int I is equal to 0 and I less than n minus 1. Okay, and I plus plus we can do for this, and we can create for the one min index, min underscore index, and we can assign for the our index of value, and after that we can do as a for and int j is equal to, and we can assign for the next element. So I plus 1, whatever having a I value we can do as a plus 1, and we can compare, put the condition up to n, it will go, and j plus plus. Now here we can go, and now we can do for the checking if arr is equal to j is less than for arr of min index. Okay, so what we'll do, we can do the swapping. Okay, so we can change the min index value as a j value, and we can do the swapping and place the element in first. Okay, so how we can do the swapping, you don't know, so you can go for my previous video, there we are defined for the 5 different way of the swapping. So now we can do the swapping. Okay, so we can create as a one int temp variable, and we can copy for the array of min value. Okay, and array of min value, that variable we can copy for the array of I, and array of I we can copy for our the temp value. Okay, so that is how the swapping will be done for the this logic. And what we'll do, we can print for the our sorted array. So sorted array values. Okay, and we can call for our the print array method. Okay, and we can save, and now we can going to run. So before that I can clear the console and we can do as a run, and you can able to see for here we can get for the sorted array. So how it is becoming, that is the things for the logic of the sorted array. So thank you, please do like, subscribe and comments. Thanks for watching.